So, you've got a first date, and you're feeling the chemistry. You want to make sure things progress smoothly without wasting time. But how do you escalate things naturally and effectively without being pushy or making the other person uncomfortable? In this video, I'm going to break down how to escalate on a first date while keeping things fun, respectful, and in tune with her vibe. The goal is to create a connection that feels natural, moves the interaction forward, and builds mutual attraction. Let's dive in. 1. Start with body language. Escalation begins with subtle, non-verbal cues. Before making any big moves, use body language to set the tone. Confidence and openness are key. If your body language is closed off or too passive, it'll be hard to create any real connection. Example: when you're sitting together, lean in slightly during conversation. Face her directly, maintain good eye contact, and use natural, open gestures. Don't cross your arms or appear too stiff. Smiling and playful eye contact can do wonders in creating a more intimate atmosphere. If she mirrors your body language, leaning in, matching your gestures, or making eye contact, you can take that as a sign she's feeling comfortable and engaged. 2. Use light. Physical touch. Physical touch, when done appropriately, can be a powerful way to build attraction and escalate the interaction. The key is to keep it light and natural at first, gauging her response to ensure she's comfortable. Example: start with casual touches, like a gentle touch on her arm when making a point during conversation, or briefly placing your hand on her lower back when guiding her through a doorway. These are subtle moves that can help break the touch barrier without feeling invasive. If she responds positively, by smiling, not pulling away, or reciprocating the touch, it's a good sign that she's comfortable with more physical escalation as the date progresses. 3. Compliment her, but keep it personal. Compliments are a great way to build attraction, but they should feel genuine and specific to her. Avoid generic compliments that she's likely heard a million times, and instead focus on something unique about her. Example: instead of saying, "You're beautiful," which is overused, try something like, "I love your energy. It's really refreshing." This not only feels more sincere, but it also shows that you're paying attention to who she is, not just how she looks. Compliments like these can help create a deeper emotional connection and set the stage for escalation, as they make her feel noticed and valued beyond surface-level attraction. 4. Use playful teasing. A little playful teasing can add some light tension and fun to the date, helping to build attraction without coming across as too serious. The key here is to keep it lighthearted and avoid making any comments that could be interpreted as mean-spirited or too personal. Example: if she mentions something quirky about herself, you could playfully tease her about it in a fun way. For instance, if she admits she's terrible at directions, you could say, "I guess I'll have to make sure you don't get lost on the way back, huh?" Teasing adds a playful dynamic to the date, creating a sense of flirtatious tension, which helps escalate the interaction. 5. Increase physical intimacy. Gradually. As the date progresses, if things are going well and you feel the chemistry building, you can slowly increase physical intimacy. This means moving beyond light touches to something a bit more direct, like holding her hand or placing your hand on her knee. Example: if the date feels like it's hitting a high point, maybe during a shared laugh or after a good conversation, you could lightly touch her hand or guide her closer to you. If she responds positively by reciprocating or leaning into the touch, it's a sign she's comfortable with the escalation. But if she seems hesitant or pulls back, don't push it. Respect her boundaries and take it as a sign to ease back for a moment. 6. Use the environment to your advantage. One great way to escalate naturally is by using the environment. If the place you're at has dim lighting, a cozy setting, or even a good view, you can use these details to create a more intimate atmosphere. Example: if you're at a bar or restaurant with a great view, suggest moving closer to the window, or if the vibe is right, subtly guide her to sit next to you rather than across the table. This allows you to naturally get closer to her without making it feel forced. 7. Go for the kiss when the time is right. If the connection has been strong throughout the date and you feel the tension building, there may come a moment when it feels natural to go for the kiss. Timing is everything here, and it's important to read the situation and her body language carefully. Example: if the conversation slows down and you're both locked in on each other with strong eye contact, it could be the perfect moment to move in. Start by leaning in slowly, giving her time to lean in too, or pull away if she's not ready. This makes the moment feel smooth and organic. If she responds positively and kisses you back, you've successfully escalated to a more intimate level. If she hesitates or pulls back, don't take it personally. Just smile, keep things light, and move on with the date. Conclusion: so how do you escalate on a first date to push things forward faster? It's all about reading the room, paying attention to her body language, and taking things one step at a time. Start with subtle, non-verbal cues, and gradually build physical touch and intimacy. Remember, respect is key. Never force escalation, and always be attuned to her comfort level. The goal is to create a connection that feels natural and mutually exciting. If you can master the balance between confidence and sensitivity, you'll be able to escalate smoothly without coming across as pushy. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more dating advice and relationship insights. Thanks for watching.